First impressions count. You want your brand to have maximum impact at every possible moment. And we here at Valley Edge have the experience and know-how to ensure that your business wows your clients and makes a powerful and memorable statement every time. Valley Edge have printing and signage solutions for all types of merchandise and applications. From business cards and brochures to the largest billboards, from the side of a pen to the side of a bus, the signage on your building to the branded wall in your reception, through to the presentation materials in the boardroom. The opportunities are truly endless. Using only the highest quality materials, our printing and signage experts can even help you design or update your branding if needed, ensuring that your business looks its best at every occasion. For more than 30 years now, Valley Edge have delivered the finest in printing and signage solutions to a range of customers from local businesses. Valley Edge, helping your business give clients that wow factor from the very first handshake.